Hi, I'm Robin from OrangeTee and Thai AAG Division. Today, I'll be showing you a beautiful unit right here at 413 PASIR RIS Drive in District 18. This is a 1679 square feet, 5-room executive maisonette that enjoys the privacy of being a corner unit with a serene park view to boot. Come, let's go. Since this is a corner unit, the owners have actually bought the corridor area and converted it into a foyer area. With double volume, they actually turn upstairs into a storage room. This spacious living room with a longish layout, here you really will be able to appreciate the renovation done to this unit, making it feel brand new. The owners have also added nice touches like these natural stone statement walls and even a classy centerpiece chandelier. We have full width windows that give you a lovely view of the Time Park below. And finally, the dining space is tucked neatly into this corner here, easily accommodating 6 to 8 packs. You can also appreciate the amount of real estate you are getting here, with a huge room on the lower floor that the owners have turned into a study lounge. A rarity in HDB units, this place comes with both a dry kitchen complete with induction cooker and as well as a wet kitchen for all your heavy cooking. There are tons of carpentry work done in both kitchen as well as premium kitchenware from the likes of Miller. Our common rooms are generously sized, enjoying high ceilings, simple layouts that lend themselves easily to customization as well as neat add-ons like walk-in wardrobes and built-in study space. Our master suite is uniquely designed with an incredibly high gabled ceiling, providing you with a level of spaciousness usually only experienced in ultra-luxury condos. It easily fits a king-size bed with plenty of space left over and comes with nice features like a built-in TV console and 2 whole walls of wardrobe space. This unit is just 700 meters from PASIR RIS MRT on the East-West line. For food and shopping, head down to Downtown East, White Sands, or even indulge in delicious hawker fare at PASIR RIS Central Hawker Centre. Nature lovers and those pursuing an active lifestyle will love it here, with Time Park just downstairs as well as PASIR RIS Park and the Active SG swimming pool just nearby. If you are interested in this unit here at 413 PASIR RIS Drive, do contact me to find out more. Once again, this is Robin signing off from OrangeTee and Thai AAG Division.